As Senator Leila de Lima marked her third year in detention on February 24, she reiterated her appeal to Filipinos. De Lima stressed she is innocent and a victim of political persecution. She has been detained since February 2017 at the PNP Custodial Center on drug charges. Despite her detention, De Lima pursued her legislative mandate. She authored and co-authored 68 bills and 31 resolutions in the 18th Congress.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.